Looks like everyone is excited to see how my game turns out, as evident by the view count of this video over here and the comment section as well. So, where have I been for the last couple of weeks? Well, I was busy trying to find the name for this action, adventure, platformer, side-scrolling RPG game, and I'm calling this Rise of the Squad. Definitely inspired to make a male version of the popular anime. So I went ahead and created a new stamina bar, as you can see over here, just under the health bar, and this changes when the player dashes. So I've also added a new ability called Dash. It's the same ability that's from my other game, Viscous Ventures, where the player will for a brief moment attain a very high velocity. As you can see, the stamina bar slowly regenerates over time. So I think I should make this depend upon the the regen speed depend upon what action the player is currently doing. So if he's moving, then I want the stamina to regen slowly. If he's staying still, then I want the stamina to regen quickly. And I've also added a new feature. As you can see, when we reach the level end, you are presented with a dialog box, and then you're also presented with optional achievements that you can finish. So if you were to defeat some of the slimes, you'd receive a star, and then if you were to finish the game under some minute, you'd receive another star. Now the way this works is that every level will have their own set of unique achievements, so it kind of makes rewarding for the player to go back and then play the game level once again, and also to increase my engagement time, I guess. So I added a new enemy, bats, because beating slimes are not fun. Well, it's not fun when you start beating 100 slimes. It's not like that. One popular anime where you beat 1000 slimes and then level up to 1000 levels. But anyways, making bat was actually pretty different because I had to implement an AI for the bat so that they would follow around and sort of traverse the obstacles and the level. And for that, I implemented the A-star pathfinding algorithm forward. And you can see over here, the green line represents the path, and the slime just tries to follow the player in the ground. So for ground-based enemies, we'll be using the simple AI, and for anything that will be flying, we'll be utilizing the pathfinding algorithm. I also updated the UI now, since we had started adding many enemies, and now when we kill an enemy, as you can see over here, the enemy will drop experience points that we can pick up, and that will increase the amount of experience the player has, because we are trying to make an RPG, remember? It's not only action platformer. So as evident from the 2 over on the top left side of the screen, that's the level the player currently is in, and for now it doesn't do anything, but later on I'll add a level system and a skill system that the player can use those levels to upgrade different stuff and unlock new type of moves. So after a very long development process of both the front and the back end, here what it looks like, the skill system. We can choose a skill and we can upgrade it, and the upgrading takes up the skill points. Oh yeah, and I also added new enemies and some weather effects because I want the game to look good as well. And I wonder what will I add next. I've added all the enemies and the effects and pretty much the main combat. Just need something that is huge and makes playing the game worthwhile.